Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I'm gonna show you how to change a commit message. Okay, two circumstances. First, you have already pushed a commit message to your repository on GitHub or GitLab, and you want to change it. So, secondly, you haven't pushed any commit message, but you have committed and you want to change it before pushing it. So that's really easy. So the second one, we start from there. Okay, first of all, let's see. We have two commit messages. First commit and this one, added website with three e's at the end. So what we do is write git commit amend like this. Uh, okay. Yeah, it's really good to yeah, this one thing. Oh my god, like just a second, bear with me a little bit. What did I do? Okay, like this. Well, it's a lot easier, or it's better to have an editor or text editor to be able to change some things. So um, yeah, we set our text editor to nano, which is, if you don't know vim or what vim is, or you haven't used any other text editor yet, so I recommend to use or set your text editor to, or default text editor to nano, which is really useful and user friendly text editor. You can basically change commit messages, change files, blah blah blah. So you just write not nano with capitals. I think, yeah, editor should be capitalized, and also no space around equal sign. So export editor nano. I hope this, yeah, I haven't done it for so long, so I don't remember if it works or not. So let's see, we try this again. Yeah, okay, now you see this is nano text editor. It helps you to easily change commit messages and so on if you are trying to do it with vim, or I don't know, terminal for example, or the terminal on VS Code, blah blah blah. It's terrible, you can't edit things and so on. You see, I got rid of the two double e's, and to just show something, I just add some numbers at the end. You can add like um, hashtag 2. It can be like an issue on your Git repository with tag 5. So this one can just, you can add anything like that, or you can assign it to, like, write an author, for example, my name, username 45, something like that. So you can add anything you want in your commit message. Then Control X is exit. So you press CTRL. This thing there is referring to control. So Control X, and then it asks you if you want to save the changes or not. I press yes, I want to change, and then here you press enter again, and then the changes are saved. So we have saved successfully the changes to our commit message. Now I'm gonna show you the second way to change a commit message, which you already have pushed to your Git repository. So what you write is git no commit, but rebase hyphen, what I wrote there, git. Yeah, by the way guys, don't forget to push your commit. So you change a commit message, but you have to push it to your repository with like hyphen amend. You can push it without forcing it, because it's the latest like commit message that you're trying to push. But if you have several, like with the rebase thing, you have to force push it, because it's probably changing something important in your remote repository, so you have to force the git to accept the changes. Be careful with that. So like, be careful, you shouldn't change anything important when you're, especially when you're working in a team. So that's the case in software engineering usually, so you will not be working on your own anyways. So we say hyphen I for interactive, so git rebase interactive head with capital D, and then oh my god, this thing doesn't work. Why the hell it doesn't work? Okay, I try to find this tilde. Okay, my keyboard is just okay. I try to find this tilde thing somewhere because it doesn't work in my keyboard. So what I will always do is just copy it from somewhere and then paste it. I know this is boring, but whatever. So here you press a number. So you replace n with a number. Like if you want to go 4 steps backward, 8 steps backward, whatever. For now, because I have just 2 commit messages, so I press enter. Oh, the hell! Why doesn't? What do I spell wrong here? Git rebase. It's not. Everything is right, right? Come on, what the hell? I think it's right. Git rebase invalid upstream head. What do you mean invalid? It's not invalid. Head hyphen. What the hell? Okay, I replace. Why the hell it doesn't work? That's weird. Yeah, okay, 1. Basically it's because we have just 2 commit messages, so if we go 2 steps backward, it means we should have 3 commit messages. So we press any number, but for now just 1 because we have 2 commit messages. Well, so you have 1 commit message here that you can change. So we say replace this pick word with any of these comments. Okay, we have some comments here. P, which just use commit there. You can see the description. We have R for reword or changing. I don't know what's the difference between edit and reword. So it says use commit, but stop for amending. Okay, but this one will edit your message anyways, the R. So I use R here. You have all of these other things. Be careful with D, which will be removing your commit message. You will not see it again if you just use D. So you erase peak and then you write R. Be careful, guys. If you don't set your editor or your default editor to nano or any other text editor, you will not be able to interactively change the commit message like in your terminal. I don't know, terminal. So or command on Windows. So be careful to have a text editor there. It will help you a lot with changing commit messages. And basically you write there R and then press Control X to exit, and then it asks you if you want to save the changes or not. Yes, I want to save it, and then press enter. It will take you to another Windows. Here you can write your new commit message. Okay, add it to my website. So you write something else at the end. So I want to add another author. For example, my classmate says, or my colleague says that you should add my name too, because I also help you with this part of the code, or I don't know, this CSS text file was mine, blah blah blah. So you say, okay, shut up, I will add your name as well. So you add some name here, and then I don't know, contributes to something you hashtag it, or you tag it to another issue in your repository, blah blah blah. So whatever change you want, you add some text, you add some headers or anything. Be careful not to start your line with hashtag, because that will ignore your commits. Okay, if you start your line with hashtag, then it will not include that line in your commit message. So be careful with that. I don't know how to solve this, because on markdown language, GitHub markdown language, we can enter like headings and like first heading, second heading using hashtags, but here it doesn't work that way. So yeah, be careful about that. You see, I added that hashtag 6 here at the end. So you press Ctrl X and then again save it. Yes, I want to save it, and then enter. That's it. You have saved it, but you have to push it to your repository Git. So we check it like this status. Yeah, you see that something is changed, but you haven't. It's more diverged from your um, branch, so you have to push it. Git push. Let's see what happens. You see, it doesn't. It's rejected because it's changing something that you have already pushed. So git push force hyphen force. This one. If you're not working on the main branch or master branch, then be careful. You have to write the name of the branch here, otherwise it will be pushing your changes to your master branch. So for now I'm using main branch, so I don't care about that. I press enter. So yes, now it successfully pushed the changes. And then if you see, if you wanna check it, I think I have it open somewhere. Use yeah, fiber key here, and then yeah, you see added my website com45. This is another username. This new funny guy, I don't know who is, I just wrote that one. You see our new commit message there. So alright guys, I hope it was helpful. Just if it helped you, leave me a thumbs up, and any question on comments, and yeah, that is it. See you guys in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.